How to download free games on PS5. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the homepage of PS5. Once you're in here, enter your login credential and then make sure that you are signed in to your specific account. Once you have been logged in, swipe left and then head over to Game Library. Head over to PlayStation Plus. You can see the PlayStation games collection if you are on a PlayStation 5. These are the free games and you can download it really quickly. Users have to have the PlayStation Plus account in your PlayStation 5. Once you have the PlayStation Plus, you will have different free games for each month. Right here you can see it says free monthly games. These games are free to download if you have PlayStation Plus. Once you download the game, it will add it to your library. It says you have 226 free games in PS5. So this way you can collect more of the games in your PS5 and then you'll be good to go. That's all for today, and this is simply how you can download free games on PS5. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.